Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to import a VRM file to work with Hyper so you can use your avatar to make content super easily on an iPhone. Hyper Online is an iOS app that lets you create a custom face-tracked avatar. There are lots of tools within the app. You can use it to live stream, broadcast to Twitch, have meetings on Zoom, and so much more. It's super easy to use and it's completely free. This tutorial is for those people who already have VRM files and want to use them in our app. We have a character creator in the app, but if you have a Vroid model or other VRM, this is how you import it. So, step 1. Export your avatar as a .vrm file. This feature is still in beta, so let us know in our Discord server, link in the description, if your VRM file isn't compatible, and we'll troubleshoot it together. Anyways, after you export the file, send it to your iPhone using your preferred method. Here, we're just going to airdrop it to our phone. Just a side note, to do all of this, you should already have the Hyper app installed on your phone. If you don't, go to the App Store, look up Hyper Online, and download it. Again, it's free. Step 2. Open up the application. Once you're in, click the avatar button on the left side and you'll be instantly taken to our character creator. Click the little icon in the bottom right hand corner that looks like a person. Here, you'll have 3 screens: our Hyper avatars, default VRMs, and imports. Go to your imports, and from there, click the Add VRM button and locate the VRM file that you sent to your phone. Once you've imported it, select it, and it should automatically work with the app. Now, you can easily create content for your audience on the go. Use it to make TikToks or record videos or broadcast to Twitch. The possibilities are literally endless. And that's about it for this tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to hit the like button, it really helps a lot. And be sure to subscribe for more content, and remember to hit the bell icon to get notifications for future videos that we put out. Happy streaming, everyone!